In today's video, I'm going to show you a full tutorial how to create your own Imagine AI Discord bot, including a variety of options, powerful models, and versatile samplers. Get ready and let's jump in. Also, if you like this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel just to support me to continue uploading more coolest videos. Remember that the open source Replit project bot will be in the description box via a link for Ty's link. Alright, so once you access to Replit project of the bot, go to Secrets tab and add a new secret option with name Token and put your Discord bot token over the value. To get your Discord bot token, simply go to this website and create a new application. Then inside your application, go to Bot tab and don't forget to enable these 3 privileged gateway intents. Then reset the token and copy it. After that, go back to Replit project and put the token over the secret options value. Let's invite our bot first. Then we'll run the bot and test its Imagine feature. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and join our Discord server for a great AI community. If you have any suggestions or got any issues, feel free to join our Discord server and ping me. So after you run the Replit bot project, let's test the bot feature together. The command is /imagine.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun.